Hey friends, Kevin here, and we're at the start of Van Build 2.0 in this second minivan I now have, and I decided to change beds from the one I built before because I wanted to pretty much do a no-build build and show you how easy it is with this. Now, something that's become popular, these little metal platform beds. Now, this particular brand I've been recommending for a while because these things can hold 750 pounds. At least that's what they say, so we're going to find out. I also have a director for this video. Say hi, Ernie.
Hey.
All right, so he's going to coax me along. I've never touched one of these before. These are supposed to be able to be assembled without any tools whatsoever, so you and I and Ernie are going to find out together. So let's get to it. These are available in black and white. I happen to get a white one. That is it. Box is empty. Real men don't need instructions. So let's see if we can figure this out. It's about as simple as it can be. These are supports for something. No tools required, but I bet I have to put some nuts on their finger tight. Is there nuts in that package?
Yeah, right here, wing nut.
Yeah, okay. So these just spin out, drop in these holes.
If you're an airplane enthusiast, you're a wing nut.
Wing nut. All right, same thing I guess with this end. Room to put a couple of crates under the bed. We have another helper. Come on over, buddy. Come on. Man, that is as simple as it gets. So we'll throw my mattress that I kept from Van Build 1.0 onto this. See what it does. Pick the corner of that up. That thing weighs nothing, does it?
Oh man.
It's like 15 pounds, if that.
If that.
If that. Got the right end of it.
Close enough.
Close enough. I should be able to do all videos like this.
That's all right. That's the light.
There's no give to that frame at all. It's very solid. It's very well designed. Very well designed. This is a twin. The frame is 75 by 30. My mattress is 75 by 25, so I do have an inch or two here on the side, but that's not a big deal. I knew that when I ordered it. Yep, 14 inches. And you're right, about 13 inches to get under the frame. Of course, you can lift it a little bit if you needed to. The thing is so light. But man, I don't know how to get across how solid that thing is. I mean, It doesn't have any give to it anywhere. Flop your butt on there a second. We'll get a second opinion here.
Oh, thank you. Don't mind if I do. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to be able to feel the cross beams or wire.
Yeah, you don't, through that 4-inch mattress, you don't feel anything.
What kind of mattress is this?
It's all Linkit. I don't remember the brand name, but this is the one I've had in there ever since the beginning.
Yep. Yeah, that's wide enough to move around. This whole thing couldn't weigh 22 pounds, could it?
If that.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that working.
At the price of lumber when this is being made, this is probably cheaper than it would the lumber it would take to build it.
Yeah, with lumber prices where they are now. And I mean, this is just so easy. And the other advantage to this compared to the other thing I had is I worried about this thing being spring loaded, but since it isn't, you just jerk those 4 wing nuts off and fold it right back up to, you know, half the size. And yeah, it's easy to get in, easy to take out, easy to change. But we'll turn it around here and put it in the van. I've been using the van to haul a bunch of stuff. I'm getting ready to be done with that and get serious about van build 2.0 on this minivan. But we'll stick it in here and show you the room it takes up. The van is filthy, but there it is from the inside.
All right.
So at a 30-inch wide frame, you have about 48 inches at the wheel wells in a minivan, about 54 inches at the widest part left to right. So it gives you quite a bit of room there still left over to be able to put shelving, or for me to be able to stick a bicycle in there.
Oh, okay.
Still have room for other goodies.
You got just a little bit of bending over you have to do. It's kind of like the regular conversion vans where you can't go straight up. But this is sitting here.
Yeah. But that's for somebody that's 6 foot tall.
Yeah, I can sit here, put my shoes and socks on, put my shirt on, look out at the world, and I don't know how your setup's going to be, but if it was a rainy day, you may be making some coffee right here.
Right, there's actually room to sit there. And the main thing, as we've talked about in other videos, is being able to sit up in the bed at night.
This has got it, yeah. And well, so this is like most of the older vans, some of the material is coming down.
Yeah, that'll be fixed. I know how to fix that.
That's kind of deceptive. There's actually more room in here than you would think.
Right.
And right here in front of the door, yep, right at the light, it seems to be the highest point.
Right. Yeah, for me in the minivan, this is the important thing because I have the doors open. This is where I want to and how I want to be able to sit. That I can just throw the doors open, plop up on the side of the bed, and be one with the lake or the forest or wherever I happen to be. So if you can see here, excuse the filth, I've got to vacuum this out to start Van Build 2.0 because like I said, I've been hauling stuff for another project. Plenty of room from left to right to be able to do whatever. I'll store a bicycle in here, some shelving. You can set yours up however you like to. This one has a stow and go seats. There's actually just perfect enough room to be able to do this. Of course, these seats too in the back will come out. There'll be a board over top of this, and then all of this additional storage back here for kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff, however I end up setting it up. Because I've learned a lot from Van Build 1.0 and the trips across the country. So this one should be a little bit better, a little cleaner. And again, just the no build stuff, because I don't want to deal with things tearing up on the road that I can't deal with or have to stop to repair. So I'm going to keep this as simple as possible, and basically for you guys and gals starting out, so you can see that you can do this really, really simply and be able to go from one end of the country to the other, north to south, wherever it is that you want to go and adventure and be perfectly happy and perfectly comfortable in a minivan. Back to the bed. Where are you going? I'm trying to get you in the view.
Get out of your way.
I'm trying to get you in view there, man.
Okay.
All right. So, what's your opinion of it?
Well, I think it's well worth it.
Wait, here's a better question. How much would you pay for this bed frame? $299?
Would it be?
$199? $129? What are you willing to pay today for
I'll
it?
go 129 if I don't have to pay shipping.
Will you go $129 if you don't have to pay shipping? All right, there we have it. Well, it's actually about half that. But the link again is down below, so you can click over to Amazon, look at this exact frame, not the knockoff versions, this exact frame, and see what the current price is. If you have any questions, put those down below. There'll be other videos coming up of other van and travel stuff, and soon you'll see more of Van Build 2.0. Bye.